Today this video is devoted exclusively to one issue: understanding who Artsakh, internationally known as Nagorno-Karabakh, actually belongs to from a legal perspective. The question is most important for the awareness of those who are not involved in the conflict and those not interested in finding out who is right, who is the aggressor, who is the occupier, and who is just defending their homeland. A typical discussion on this topic is structured approximately as follows. The Azerbaijanis say that this is their territory, and the Armenian invaders have simply seized this territory and are holding it by force. The Armenians, on the other hand, reject this statement by referring to the fact that they have lived here for thousands of years, as evidenced by their churches built on this territory. When the Armenian king negotiated with the Roman military leader thousands of years ago, there was no country on the world called Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan thus claims to appeal to the legal side of the issue. But does Azerbaijan have any rights towards this territory, and all of the documents, if any, legal? The history of the issue is as follows. During the Soviet period, Artsakh was falsely carved out of Armenia as part of the Soviet divide and rule tactic and placed within the rule of Soviet Azerbaijan. However, Karabakh had declared its independence. They created their own army, own law, voted for their own president. However, no internationally recognized state recognizes Karabakh. Asking the question of whether Artsakh has the right to secede from Soviet Azerbaijan, international law states the right of self-determination. This means if a community of people living on the same territory decide that they should become a separate state, then by referendum they have the right to do so. Even during the Soviet Union, USSR allowed any republic to leave its membership issued to a referendum. Thus, when the Soviet Union began falling apart, Azerbaijan and Armenia both declared its independence in 1991. So why were all the other republics' independence recognized, but no one recognized Karabakh's independence? An attentive listener would probably say because Karabakh was not a republic, it was part of Soviet Azerbaijan. However, in a constituent republic, which includes autonomous republics and regions, a referendum is held separately for each autonomy. People of the autonomous regions retain the right to independently decide to secede from the Union and raise their state's legal status. And yes, Karabakh was an autonomous region within the Soviet Azerbaijan. In 1987, the first referendum was held where people asked to transfer Nagorno-Karabakh from the Soviet Azerbaijan to Soviet Armenia. In 1988, the USSR gave the go-ahead for the exit of Karabakh from Azerbaijan and attached it to Armenia, while Azerbaijan says that it is against it, but it doesn't really have any legal power. In the same year, Nagorno-Karabakh declares independence despite the fact that Azerbaijan is against it. It continues to remain an autonomous state within the Soviet Union. Karabakh announced the creation of a republic within the USSR, and Azerbaijan did not accept it. And in December 1991, the Republic of Nagorno-Karabakh announced its withdrawal from the Soviet Union, and in fact became a separate state. Hence, all Soviet republics seceded from the Soviet Union using exactly the same procedures and referring to the same legal framework, but for some reason they were all recognized as separate states except for Karabakh. Hence, a step to the solution of the conflict will be the recognition of the independence of Artsakh. Thank you for your attention. Please like and share this video to raise awareness of the truth.